Ace your Cambridge English exam. Top tips for test day. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to be discussing an extremely important topic for any English language learner: how to prepare for test day. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the Cambridge English exams, which are known for their comprehensive and effective testing of English language proficiency. So, let's dive right in and get you ready for success. The first step in preparing for any exam is to thoroughly understand its format. Knowing exactly what to expect will not only give you a sense of security, but it will also help you focus your preparation more effectively. Cambridge English exams include tests like Key English Test, CET, Preliminary English Test, PET, First Certificate in English, FCE, Certificate in Advanced English, CAE, and Certificate of Proficiency in English, CPE, each with its own structure and requirements. Make sure to learn the specific sections of your exam, the duration of each section, and the types of questions you'll face. Time management is another crucial aspect of your test day success. Practice using official Cambridge English sample papers. This will not only familiarize you with the type of questions asked but also allow you to gauge how long each section takes. Try to complete these sample tests under real test conditions to boost your speed and efficiency. Your English language skills need to be at their peak on the day of the exam. Focus on improving your reading, writing, listening, and speaking abilities. Use different learning resources such as English newspapers, novels, podcasts, and language learning platforms to enhance your vocabulary and comprehension. Don't forget to practice speaking English as much as possible, to gain confidence in expressing your ideas clearly and effectively. Your well-being is as important as your preparation. Make sure to get a good night's sleep before the exam. Eat a healthy breakfast to keep your energy levels high. Stay hydrated and don't forget to take deep breaths to help manage any test anxiety you may feel. Lastly, it's important to have an exam day checklist. Make sure you know the location and time of your exam. Have your identification ready. Bring multiple pens and pencils, and remember to take a watch to manage your time better. Most importantly, maintain a positive attitude and believe in your abilities. And that's it, folks. Remember, preparation is key when it comes to succeeding on test day. We hope that these tips will help you navigate your Cambridge English exam with confidence. You've got this. Keep practicing, stay positive, and you'll surely ace your test. Thanks for watching, and good luck.